is up, YouTube? I'm Joe. This is Wicked Fabs. Welcome to the channel. And you want to see something real funny? Check this out. Yes, I am going to get a car battery for my daughter's car. It completely died. We tested the battery. It is completely dead. So I am venturing out in this northeast Pennsylvania snowstorm with the nutty drivers out here along with myself to go get this battery. We're going to A&A Trucking Off-Road here in Dallas, Pennsylvania, and pick up the new battery. Stay tuned. We're going to get it back home and put it in the car in this snowstorm. Here's another look at it. All right, guys, we made it to A&A Trucking Off-Road here in Dallas, Pennsylvania. Let's go in and get that battery. Come on in, guys. I'll introduce you to Pat. This is Pat from A&A.
Hold on 1 second.
Trucking Off-Road in Dallas, Pennsylvania.
Meet me in there. Hey, how you doing?
We're here to pick up a battery, Pat.
Cool.
Beck, is this like it? You can rig up the battery. Let me show you this aisle here. We got cold air intakes for all different makes of models, cars, trucks. Check out the exhausts they have here. Borla, Flowmaster, MagnaFlow. You got to stop in and check out this shop, man. It is awesome. Braved the storm. We made it back from A&A Trucking Off-Road. Here we got this battery. We're going to install this in the '99 Chevy Cavalier. First, find a spot for the battery so it don't fall off. Got some tools here. You want to take once you get the old battery off, this is your tie down for the battery. Touch base about the A&A Trucking Off-Road there in Dallas, Pennsylvania. Some of the guys there are very helpful with getting me this battery on a day like today. So we picked up some side post terminal bolts for it, and we are going to put them in. These are just replacement bolts for the battery. Then we'll install the positive side of it. Here, I'll show you over here just hook up your positive and your negative to where it's supposed to go, and then we'll fire it up. All right, now once we got our terminals post positive to positive, negative to negative, then we're going to take the battery tie down and put that back in, and we'll move the battery over to where we need to. Make sure your battery's positioned pretty good in there so that way it won't jiggle around, and then all you got to do is tighten her up. And there you go. And then I just wanted to touch base with you on the people from A&A Trucking Off-Road there in Dallas, Pennsylvania. You have Pat, Adam, Katie, Jeannie, Ryan, and Taylor. Check those guys at the counter. They're knowledgeable in what they're doing. They hooked us up with this battery on a day like today. Not that we really wanted to do it on a day like today, but check them out. You've seen some of the store footage. But yeah, go in there and tell them that you seen them on Wicked Fabs, and tell them Wicked Fabs sent you. So here's the battery install for the 99 Chevy Cavalier. All right, now we're gonna fire it up and see if it starts. Alright guys, hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to wrench down on the subscribe button. And I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll at Wicked Fabs.